Hello students, welcome back to the online English class. In today's video, we are going to learn lesson 2.2, a true story of sea turtles. This lesson is fully on the life of turtles and one campaign of the writer, how they saved turtles from being theft or being killed. Now let us see how this lesson starts. Warming up. It is our world too. It is our world too. This line means it is the world of humans as well as animals. Not only humans. So why are humans not caring about animals? Observe the following photographs. What is common among all these animals? They are all endangered species. These species are endangered, and endangered means those who have danger, those who are getting reduced, getting abolished from the world. They are likely to die out completely. One of the reasons being human activity in their habitat. So in their habitat means in their living place, human activities are interfering. This is why, this is one of the reasons, which is why these species are getting reduced. They are dying. If these animals could think and speak like humans, what would they say? What would they say? Don't come in our habitats, in our residential places. Don't kill us. Don't take our food. These things they will say. Because we are not sensitive about animals and we are not caring about them. How are we killing them, eating them for our taste, for our business? We are killing them, and this is how we are destroying ecology. Let us see. Here some activities are there, but some activities are such that they can be done in the class or outside. So during lockdown period, these activities are not possible. This is why state board has removed some activities. Now let us directly come on the lesson, a true story of sea turtles. So this is a true story, not a made or tell told story. So this is why it is a true story, the writer is saying. We were serving we were surveying the white bellied sea eagles in the summer that year. Means in the summer season, they were surveying white bellied. Bellied means the chest or the stomach, whose stomach is white. So this is white bellied eagle, you can see white bellied eagle. So they were surveying these eagles that time as we roamed the coasts. Coast means the bank, long bank of the ocean. One of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white egg shells nearby. Shallow pits means a small hole, you can say, in the earth like this. A shallow pit is there, not very deep. So eggs are there. These are the eggs of turtles. This type of scene they noticed. Our team saw some shallow pits with white eggshells nearby. Inquiries with the villagers revealed that they were turtle eggs. This came as a surprise. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of Konkan in all these days or in all these years. This line says that writer and their team, they surveyed Konkan beach, but only this day they noticed turtle eggs, because this was a surprise. Why surprise? The turtle species are getting reduced. This is why it is very rare to notice them. We decided to study this unusual occurrence further. We learned that the beach where we had found the eggshells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month. After people smuggling silver bricks were caught in that area, they came to know that some people were smuggling silver bricks. So this is why that area was sealed, and the eggshells they found, and further they came to know that. But what we learnt further shocked us to the core. To the core means up to deep, deep mind. They were shocked up to their deepness of the mind. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of our state. Our state means Maharashtra. There are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach. Combing means they keep searching the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. When the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail just like a track of wheels on the sand. This you can see with the help of one image. This is Vela's beach. This is Vela's beach of Ratnagiri. On this beach, they found turtle eggs. Now let us see how is the trail of female turtle or any turtle. Like this, the trail means the footprints. So here, footprints of female turtles are the identification that the female turtle traveled alongside that line. Then what happens when the female turtle comes on shore to nest and to lay eggs? She leaves behind a trail just like a track. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest, which is about half a meter deep. Nest, we have seen how the nest is. So this female turtle builds the nest, digs the nest in the sand, and these thieves follow those feet trails of the female turtle, and they reach up to the nest and they steal those eggs. They dig up the nest and steal all the 100 to 150 eggs that are laid inside. It means the female turtle lays 100 to 150 eggs at one time. These eggs are then either eaten or are sold in the market. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. So, how cruel these people are. They allowed the female turtle up to that female turtle gives eggs, lays eggs. Means that process, that action is going on. Up to that action is going on. When the female turtle stops giving eggs, these people catch that female turtle, take away her eggs also, and kill her. This ruthless means a cruel practice, is observed in all parts of the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. This Indian Wildlife Protection Act, this act protects wild animals, and in that Schedule 1, this Schedule 1 has provisions for protection of sea turtles. That means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. Till that time, tigers were considered more important and not turtles. But in Schedule 1 of this Protection Act, turtles are also given importance and they are also protected. So now turtles and tigers are equally protected according to the law. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles is carried on in a secret hush hush manner. Hush hush manner means silent manner, silently. This information was distressing. We began to think seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of turtles and their nests in Maharashtra. Now, after coming to know the cruel activities of people regarding turtles, volunteers undertook a project for the protection. Next, what happens? We had no experience regarding sea turtles, so first of all, we undertook a study of turtles. We contacted institutes that work for the protection of turtles in India. So some institutes were working for the protection and these people, volunteers contacted them. The next step was launching a turtle protection campaign at Velas Taluka Mandangad district Ratnagiri. This was done with the support and cooperation of the Forest Department. As part of the campaign, a few local people were specially appointed to look for turtle nests on the beach in the morning. So, our volunteers started a campaign at Velas Beach, Ratnagiri. This Velas Beach, Ratnagiri is very beautiful place. It is a tourist place. So at that place they engaged engaged local people who were living there to protect the turtle nests. And further, what happens when they came across a nest, they had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest. Volunteers gave duty to the villagers and local people that whenever they will spot some eggs of turtles, those eggs they have to remove and they have to shift those eggs in another safe place of such fencing. You can see in the image place where the nests are protected with the help of fencing. One more image is there. You can see here turtles and their nests are protected with the help of fencing. So like this, the villagers had to keep the eggs, means whenever the small turtles will come out, hatch out of the eggs, they will be safe. Then what happened? They had to carefully remove the eggs from the nest and bury them again in a similar pit, but one protected with wire fencing. They had to watch over the protected nest to prevent thefts. So, as these people who are keeping watch are locals, they are villagers, so they can keep a watch over the eggs. In the first year, we could successfully protect 15 nests in this manner. They protected 15 nests. In one nest, near about 100 to 150 eggs. This we can consider. When the babies hatched out of the eggs, what an event that was. Hatched out means came out by breaking the eggshell. What an event that was. The whole village rushed to the beach to witness the spectacle. The spectacle means the scene which is very beautiful to watch. When the tiny turtle hatchlings hurried across the silver sands to meet the rolling boundless sea. The sea was boundless and it was rolling as the waves come again and again on the shore, on the bank, and go back. That process is rolling. That rolling boundless sea. Boundless means any bound was not there. No one can bind that sea. No border. What an ovation they received from the onlookers. Ovation means the praise, appreciation they received from the onlookers. Onlookers means the viewers, people who were present to see them. Some of the elderly villagers confessed that though they had seen and stolen turtle eggs right from their school days, it was for the first time that they had seen the hatchlings rushing to the sea. Some elderly villagers means old people, and they they didn't see this event since their school time, means how long time it was that turtles were not being protected. There are seven types of sea turtles in the world, five of which are found in India. The olive ridley turtles nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. This olive ridley, that is olive green turtle, they they nest along the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Green turtles and hawksbills have also been found. Here we can see a green turtle. This is green turtle. You can see its color. Thereafter, hawksbills we will see. This is hawksbill. Hawksbill. It is not of green color. It is somewhat brownish color. These are hawksbills. Then, an amazing characteristic of turtles is that when the female turtle reaches maturity, what is an amazing character? Amazing means that will shock you. Re- when the female turtle reaches maturity, that is nearly after a gap of 15 years, when she becomes of 15 years or more than it, she returns to the shore to lay her eggs at the same place where she was born. So she means the female turtle comes on the shore and she lays her eggs at the same place where she was born. Means how sensitive they are. Up to 15 years or more than that, that female turtle can remember where she was born and there she lays her eggs. The female comes the female comes on shore just to make a nest in the sand and lay her eggs and immediately returns to the sea. She does not return to the nest after that. Means that mother leaves the eggs to survive by their own. She doesn't give them protection afterwards. She just leaves the eggs in the nest. The eggs hatch after a period of 45 to 50 days. Using natural heat, innumerable dangers await the little hatchlings in the deep sea. Innumerable means so many dangers wait the little hatchlings in the deep sea, and they have to face them all on their own. On their own means without any help. Those small turtles, small babies face those dangers in the ocean. Their survival rate is therefore as low as just one or two turtles out of a thousand. Means in thousand turtle babies, only one or two can survive if they don't get any protection. We can see hatchlings here. These are hatchlings and they are reaching to the sea after coming out of the eggs. Turtles perform an important function. They keep the sea clean. Thus, they occupy an important place in marine ecology. Considering all these factors, it is vital to undertake their protection on a large scale. So, In marine ecology, these turtles play a very important role. If we throw plastic bags or plastics in the ocean, these turtles can eat them, and this is how they can die. They will suffer a lot. Not only turtles, other marine animals can eat it. So I want to ask you, is it good for us to throw plastic bags or any plastic material in the river or in the ocean? I know your answer will be no. It is not good, but we should take care of it. Now we can see a turtle which is suffering from a disease. These swellings are of disease which is caused to the turtle due to pollution in the ocean water. And that pollution is caused due to the detergent water, chemical water, plastics, non-degradable substances left into the ocean. This is why we should be very careful about it. So this field means marine ecology is also a field of career in which students can go as their future, as their career. They can build their career in this field also, whereby they can protect the nature, the environment also, and they can run their livelihood also. Now let us see our passage. After the success at Velas, we started implementing the project in other places too. So after this Velas beach at Ratnagiri, they started the same campaign on other beaches also. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. So they took 5 years to survey the entire coastline of Maharashtra. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. Our strategy was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs. Those people who were stealing, those were thieves of the eggs. To those people, these volunteers involved in protection of turtles, because those people know very well these turtles. Those people had studied about these turtles. Then, to train and involve them in the work of protection, we started the Turtle Friend Awards, Kaso Mitra, to encourage more people to be a part of the protection campaign. So these people are giving prizes, awards to the turtle friends. If turtle friends do the work very successfully, these people are offering them prizes. Those prizes may be cash prizes. This is why people are encouraged more and more to do this work. A comprehensive booklet. Now, due to this initiative of these volunteers, people came to know that protecting turtles is more good than stealing them and killing them. A comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtles was prepared to spread the message. Comprehensive means including everything. Everything is inside that booklet. And a short film, a short video they had prepared. The year 2006 saw the beginning of novel concept Turtle Festival or Kasav Mahotsav. In year 2006, this Kasav Mahotsav started. We can see with the help of image. What is this Kasav Mahotsav? In Kasav Mahotsav, people, all the tourists and people gather on the beach. At that time, hatchlings means babies of turtles come out of the eggs and they run towards the sea to go inside the sea. And this is a very spectacular, means a very beautiful event. This is why they have given a very important role to it. They have given it name Kasav Mahotsav. It was a festival, an opportunity for tourists to visit, to witness the unique spectacle of the hatchlings rushing out to the sea. A short film on turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional features of the festival. So that coastline of Maharashtra is called as Konkan. And this beauty of Konkan, coastline of Maharashtra, short film of turtles, and this Kaso Mahotsav. These all were a very beautiful experience for tourists. This is why tourists started coming in more and more number. At the same time, we were quite firm on one issue. The hatchlings should not come to even the slightest harm due to this tourist activity. Means they ensured this thing also that the hatchlings should be safe from the tourists also. The tourists were accommodated in the homes of the villagers. Now the tourists were coming in more and more number. This is why they needed place to stay, and these people ensured protection of turtles. This is why they did not allow tourists to accommodate, means to stay on the beach. This is why they allowed tourists to stay in the homes of villagers. The response to this novel concept of homestay was excellent. Why this homestay was excellent? Because now the tourists started living in the homes of the villagers. All villages would now offer the same rate for homestay. So this is how the villagers were getting rent tourists also. They gave 10% of their income from homestay for the turtle protection fund. So whatever they were earning, villagers were earning from the tourists, they were giving 10% for the protection of turtles. The fund would be utilized for the purpose of protection and conservation of turtles. Modern technology also helped. Modern technology such as internet or websites, the festival reached all concerns, the festival reached all corners of the world through the medium of the internet and our website. So they have a website also. People around the world began to contact the small villages. Now the small villages got a big importance here. Here a line is there: protect the turtles and enrich the seas. A beautiful line is there of Konkan. Konkan villages, people were reaching to the villages of Konkan from all over the world. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and the number of homestay families went up to 35. So now 35 families were helping for the homestay, and they were getting rent also. As many as 800 people began to visit villas in the turtle season. This meant more business for the villagers. If more tourists are visiting, more business would be there. Now they realized that tourism can be a source of income. Now villagers left their old cruel business of stealing eggs or killing turtles. Tourists bring in money, and in order to earn that money, it was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. So this the villagers came to know. This was conservation of nature through livelihood. Means they are running the livelihood also, and conservation means they are protecting the nature also in its true sense. So whatever the villagers doing is the true meaning of conservation of nature through livelihood. Velas became the project's main success story. This Velas beach was the main first success story of that project. Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra, our organization. So what is the organization name of these volunteers? It is Sahyadri Nisarg Mitra. Believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. If they are given the freedom to do that, the conservation projects became sustainable. So that freedom to protect turtles was given to the villagers, and that was very good idea. So conservation projects became sustainable. Sustainable means which can last for long time, which can continue for long time. So that became sustainable because villagers were protecting it. With this belief, we entrusted the project to. Entrusted means they handed over with a trust that project to the forest department, the Gram Panchayat, the villagers, and their turtle friends club. All of them are handling it wonderfully. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. Bhau Kadare Sayadri Nisarga Mitra. Bhau Kadare, he is an NGO, means non-government organization, and Sayadri Nisarga Mitra is their organization. So this is how our today's chapter was. If you have any doubt about this, you can ask anytime. Take care. Thank you so much.